I was vlogging all day. So after we had, what did we have today? Lunch. I didn't have lunch with them because they went away alone. But after lunch, we had our own little meeting. And now, where are we? Where are we? We are in Achena Girgir, having a mini stroll in the evening. Yeah, the city is alive like day and night.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
ፌመስ ታቴታ ነምኒ ባየለ ሲበከራ ማለት
ነገ እንመጣለን። ነገ በጥሩ ሰዓት ነገ አይደለም ሰኞ ወይ ማክሰኞ ቢዚ ነና
ሲፈጭም እንትን ጫቱን ሲፈጭ ይሄ 5 ሊትር ነው 5 ሊትር ውሃ ይጠቀማል ማለት ነው ለጫቱ በቀን ዴይሊ ዩዜጁ ማለት ነው።
ከዛ እንደሻ
ይሄ ቀዘቀዘ ነው አዲስ ነው ለነገ ነው።
ናይስ በጣም This is so nice. Before there was no this light. Yeah, this is so nice. Yes. This market at night is all peaceful, and I like the wait. This market is the sewing market, like it's where you get your clothes done and stuff. But last time I was here, this was all dark in the evening. But now they put all these lights, and it's very nice. So, but in the evening it's all dead because everybody's sleeping and doing their thing. Because it's evening time. But tomorrow we'll come in the daytime. And then we'll see how chaotic and beautiful this is. And look at this cutiness. Look at this cutie pie-ness. But tomorrow we will see lots of these. But I just want you to see in the evening what it looks like. They're doing lots of development and some people don't like the lights, but I like the lights. Because you get to have this type of walks, you get to enjoy the beauty of these roads, you get to see the beauty in the day and in the evening time. So I like the fact that there's these lights, and it's also safe. I mean, Harar is a very safe city, but this adds even more security to you. Not that anything will happen to you, but you just feel safe because you can see everything, right? So I really like it. I mean, I don't like darkness. This is actually the first time I'm doing an evening time video, and I could do that because of all these lights. So I really like it. We'll come tomorrow so I can show you all these beautiful roads. I think this is where the other kindergarten is. So there's a kindergarten here. I'm thinking, yeah, there's a kindergarten here or something, I don't know. Anyways, we'll come back here tomorrow. But yeah, I like it. Where's everybody? Now, when you come to these places, you will find madams like this sitting in the streets. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, but look at all this beautiful artistry.
Okay.
Families. These are also beautiful creators from here in Ethiopia, and they do amazing pages. I'll put their pages here so you can follow them. So right now we had like a really nice mini stroll in this where are we? In the Makina Girgir. And then we went to that side where the butchery is. Galaguddo and Megalaguddo. Yes. What does it mean?
It's a big market.
It just means the meat.
Yeah.
Okay. It just means the big market. So we were there, and now we're gonna go for dinner, and then we will come back here because the Jugol, this whole area is called Jugol, it has a different vibe during the day and during the evening. So, since this man right here is the expert, come here.
Not expert.
Super extreme expert, okay? Because I have no idea what I'm talking about, and we have a super expert. So he's going to show us again in the evening. After dinner we'll come back and then we will do a little bit more stroll. And then you're going to be so lucky because I'm showing you things in the evening, which I never do. But I'm able to do that because of the lights. When did they put the lights here?
Around like which light?
These streets light, because there was no street lights before. Like inside the Dogo, like this.
2 years.
2 years, right? Yeah, because before, like I did come here, but it was too dark to film, to do anything, but now look how bright it is, and you can walk around and really appreciate it. So we will come back to look at all of that. Madam, introduce yourself, please.
Oh, hi. My name is Prita. I'm a traveler also, so you can watch my videos and my contents. Thank you so much.
And they should tell us about your page.
It's more like travel, landscape, culture. I do more like videos in based in Tigray, but right now I started like traveling all of the places in Ethiopia, so you can find like my videos, my photos also. And
What's the name of your page?
it's Frita GB.
Frita GB. I can put it right here and you'll find her. And my brother right here, please introduce yourself on your page.
My name is Stroll. Like I do cultural and tourism contents on social medias. I write sometimes also about like ethnography, parts of like a culture, history, and also tourism. My social media page name is Stroll.
So there is like how many content creators are we together?
Now,
Yeah.
here like 3.
No,
Yeah,
I mean in general with the group.
6.
So there's 6 of us. So we are here with the tourism and the Great Run. So we're going to be making lots of content. And I hope you're going to like those contents, and it's going to give you lots of beautiful information so you can come and visit Harar. Okay, let's go dinner. Oh la la! Tamalas! Look at alone. So this is our dinner. We're having fatira. So fatira is a mix. So in the mixture you have egg, tomato, onion, and pepper, and then that's the dough. He puts inside the dough all this mixture. Oh, okay. No, he puts it in here.
Gelamo.
Wow, wow, wow.
I know.
Ish. A little bit of oil so it doesn't get stuck. Very nice. Easy breezy, but very delicious.
በምሽት አሪፍ ነው። ፀሐይ በጣም አሪፍ ነው። ይሄ ጉም ሲሆን ምናምን ነው አሪፍ ነው።
ሽልማቱን እኔ ልውሰድ።
አንቺ አሁን ብትወስጂ ጥሩ አይደለም። ከአንቺ እሷ ብትወስድ እሱ ቤት ነው ትክክል።
ኦኬ
በአሁኑ